Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Textile Craft. So I've started doing a little bit on the background, and for this one I'm going to work on the seaweed. So I think it's blending a little bit too much in with the coral and I want it to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to use two different types of greens to try bring it forward a little bit. Maybe these ones, maybe all of them, I don't know. But I am new to embroidery, so I don't know what the terms are. I don't know what the stitches are called, and I'm not very familiar with too many different stitches at the moment. I am only beginner, so I'm going to try just do freestyle. You can comment down below in the comments to let me know what stitches are which that I have used. I could probably research what these stitches are, but I'm just going to try and figure out something. So I'm just going to put music on. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Oh, I do like that. That looks a lot better than this, and it is more stable. I don't think I need to do anything else with those leaves. Very nice. Thank you so very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the transformation so far. Please give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and this is the type of thing that you enjoy watching. Hit the all notification bell if you would like to get first dibs in watching these videos, and have a wonderful week. Bye for now. Bye.